Welcome to June 2025, a month that's already making waves in the world of cryptocurrency. If you thought the market was unpredictable before, this month is taking things to a whole new level. Let's dive into the crypto market. June 2025 is a wild ride. Prices are swinging faster than ever, and every headline seems to send shockwaves through the market. Volatility is the name of the game, and traders are glued to their screens, trying to make sense of the chaos. One moment, Bitcoin's surging to new highs, drawing in waves of excitement and optimism. The next, it's tumbling just as quickly, leaving investors scrambling to adjust their strategies. The mood is tense, and everyone's on edge, watching for the next big move. This month, Bitcoin's pulling back after a strong rally, sparking debates about whether this is just a healthy correction or the start of a bigger trend. Meanwhile, Ethereum is prepping for a game-changing upgrade that could redefine its role in the blockchain ecosystem. Meanwhile, a new wave of altcoins is grabbing attention, promising fresh opportunities for those willing to take risks. These projects are bringing innovative ideas to the table, and investors are eager to find the next big winner among them. Bitcoin's moves are closely tied to real-world economic news, like U.S. job reports and inflation data. Every new statistic can trigger a flurry of buying or selling, as traders try to anticipate how global events will impact the crypto landscape. Ethereum's upgrade is a strategic play to stay ahead in decentralized apps and smart contracts. Developers are working around the clock, and the community is buzzing with speculation about what this upgrade will mean for the future of DeFi and NFTs. And those altcoins? They're not just riding the wave, they're solving problems the big players haven't cracked. From faster transactions to new ways of securing data, these projects are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in crypto. In this chapter, we'll break down Bitcoin's recent dip, explore the details of Ethereum's highly anticipated Pectra upgrade, and spotlight 3 breakout altcoins that are making headlines this month: PulseX, Kaspa, and Worldcoin. Each of these coins is bringing something unique to the table, and we'll look at why they're catching the eye of both retail and institutional investors. Plus, we'll touch on the latest in crypto regulation and how new policies are shaping the industry's future. Governments and regulators are stepping up their involvement, and their decisions could have major impacts on prices and innovation. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a clear view of what's driving the market right now, what to watch for in the coming weeks, and how to navigate the opportunities and risks ahead. Let's get started. Welcome to June 2025. Let's talk Bitcoin. After a strong run, Bitcoin's price has dropped below key support, sparking concern. Why? Strong U.S. job numbers mean the Fed may keep interest rates high, making crypto less attractive to big investors. Spot Bitcoin ETF inflows have slowed, easing buying pressure. Long-term holders and miners are cashing out, adding more supply to the market. This combined selling is pushing prices down. Some experts see this as a healthy correction. Others warn of more downside if Bitcoin can't reclaim $65,000. The market's searching for a new floor. For now, it's all about price discovery and waiting for the next move. Stay tuned. While Bitcoin stumbles, Ethereum is buzzing about its Pectra upgrade. Pectra aims to make Ethereum easier and cheaper to use, especially for newcomers. The big feature account abstraction, letting users bundle transactions and pay fees with any token. Pectra also raises the max stake for validators, streamlining operations for big players. The goal? Attract more users and developers, making decentralized apps as smooth as mainstream ones. If it works, Ethereum could cement its lead and spark mass adoption. The upgrade's a few months away, but anticipation is high. Watch this space. The altcoin scene is heating up like never before, with PulseX, Kaspa, and Worldcoin making serious waves across the crypto landscape. These 3 projects are capturing the attention of traders, investors, and blockchain enthusiasts alike, each for their own unique reasons. PulseX, a decentralized exchange built on the Pulse chain network, is quickly becoming a favorite among DeFi users. Its ultra-low fees and generous community rewards are driving a surge in both trading volume and total value locked. The platform's user-friendly interface and focus on rewarding loyal participants have helped it stand out in a crowded DEX market. As more users flock to PulseX, its ecosystem is expanding, with new tokens and liquidity pools launching every week. Meanwhile, Kaspa is taking a different approach. Instead of chasing the latest trends in smart contracts, Kaspa is laser-focused on being the fastest, most scalable proof-of-work coin out there. By leveraging innovative block DAG technology, Kaspa enables near-instant transactions and high throughput, all while maintaining the security and decentralization that proof-of-work is known for. This combination of speed and security is winning over both miners and investors, who see Kaspa as a next-generation alternative to legacy proof-of-work coins like Bitcoin. Its growing network and active development community are fueling optimism about its long-term potential. Then there's Worldcoin, co-founded by OpenAI's Sam Altman. Worldcoin is on a mission to build a global identity network using iris scans to create unique world IDs for every participant. The project aims to solve the challenge of digital identity in a world where bots and fake accounts are everywhere. Users receive WLD tokens as a reward for signing up, but the project hasn't escaped controversy. Privacy advocates have raised concerns about biometric data collection and how it might be used in the future. Despite these worries, Worldcoin's vision of a human-verified digital economy is attracting plenty of attention. The market seems to be betting on Worldcoin's potential as the price of WLD continues to climb. Investors are watching closely to see if Worldcoin can deliver on its promise of a secure global digital identity system. Each of these projects is tackling a different challenge in the crypto space, whether it's decentralized trading, scalable proof-of-work, or digital identity. Their innovative approaches are drawing in new users and sparking conversations across the industry. Altcoins like PulseX, Kaspa, and Worldcoin are where some of the most exciting innovation is happening right now. Developers are pushing boundaries and communities are growing fast. As the crypto market evolves, keep an eye on these names. They could be shaping the future of blockchain technology. Crypto is no longer just a niche interest for tech enthusiasts or early adopters. Governments around the world are now watching the space with intense focus. What was once a fringe movement has become a topic of national debate, and policymakers are realizing that digital assets could reshape economies, financial systems, and even the way we vote. In the United States, lawmakers are working to craft clear, comprehensive rules to define digital assets and their place in the financial system. This marks a significant shift from the uncertainty and patchwork regulations of the past as Congress and regulatory agencies seek to balance innovation with consumer protection. Crypto has even become a hot-button campaign issue. Politicians are now courting tech-savvy voters, discussing blockchain policy on the campaign trail, and some are even accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as campaign donations. This signals a new era where digital assets are part of mainstream political discourse. The outcome of upcoming elections could have a profound impact on the future of crypto regulation in the U.S. Depending on which leaders are elected, we could see either a friendlier environment for innovation or stricter controls that could slow growth. Across the Atlantic, Europe is taking a different approach. The EU's MiCA framework is setting unified rules for all member states, aiming to boost investor confidence, protect consumers, and attract global investment. This harmonized approach could make Europe a leader in responsible crypto adoption. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Some worry that too much regulation could stifle innovation and drive startups away, but others argue that clear rules are exactly what's needed to bring crypto into the mainstream and encourage broader adoption by businesses and individuals. Around the globe, regulation is proving to be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can legitimize the market, attract institutional investors, and protect consumers. On the other, it risks creating barriers that could slow down the pace of innovation and limit the technology's potential. Every new headline from Washington or Brussels has the power to move the crypto markets dramatically. Investors and entrepreneurs are constantly on alert, knowing that a single policy announcement can trigger waves of optimism or concern. Today, investors are watching policy shifts just as closely as they watch price charts. Regulatory news can be just as important as market trends, and understanding the evolving legal landscape is now a key part of any crypto strategy. The regulatory landscape will define crypto's next chapter. As governments step up their involvement, staying alert and informed is more important than ever for anyone in the space. With so much happening, what should you watch this week? Track Bitcoin dominance. If it drops, altcoins may be heating up. Watch Ethereum's Layer 2s like Arbitrum and Optimism. Rising activity signals bullish sentiment ahead of Pectra. Monitor DeFi yields and total value locked. Rising TVL means growing confidence, while sharp drops signal caution. Keep an eye on new token launches and airdrops. They reveal market appetite for risk and innovation. These trends offer a deeper look beneath the price charts. Focus on these signals to stay ahead. The market moves fast, don't get left behind. Stay sharp, stay curious. Let's see what unfolds. So, where does crypto go from here? Bitcoin's under pressure, Ethereum's on the verge of a major upgrade, and altcoins are breaking out. Regulation is evolving, adding both uncertainty and opportunity. Bears see more downside ahead. Bulls see innovation and adoption fueling the next run. The big question, is this a pause before a rebound, or the start of a deeper correction? There's no easy answer, both sides have strong arguments. Navigating this uncertainty is the real challenge for investors. What's your take? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.